Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're taking an in-depth look at the Getino magnetic silicone band. Designed to be compatible with a wide range of Apple Watch models, including the Ultra 3, Ultra 2, SE, and Series 1 through 11. This band is built for both men and women, accommodating sizes from 42mm all the way to 49mm, making it a versatile option for nearly every Apple Watch owner. The first thing you'll notice about the Getino magnetic band is its construction. Made from high-quality silicone, it combines durability with comfort, creating a breathable strap that's ideal for daily wear or intense workouts. Unlike traditional buckle bands, this one employs a magnetic clasp system, which allows you to put it on and adjust the fit in seconds. The band contains 27 N54 magnets, which are strategically positioned to deliver a strong, slip-free hold. This is about 50 to 60% stronger than what you'd get from ordinary N52 magnet bands, ensuring your watch stays securely on your wrist throughout the day. Adjusting the band is extremely simple thanks to the tool-free magnetic closure. You can slide it to tighten or loosen the fit with just one hand, which is perfect for quick adjustments during a workout or while on the go. This design eliminates the hassle of aligning buckle holes and reduces the time it takes to get your watch fitted comfortably, making it a practical solution for people with fast-paced lifestyles. In terms of aesthetics, the Getino magnetic band has a sleek, sporty look. Its silicone material not only feels soft on the skin but also resists sweat and moisture, making it an excellent choice for active users. The band comes in multiple color options, offering a chance to match your personal style or add a pop of color to your Apple Watch. The product was released in October 2025 and is sold by Getino, a brand that specializes in smartwatch accessories. While it ranks within the top 1,000 in smartwatch bands on Amazon, what really sets this band apart is its combination of comfort, security, and ease of use. Its magnetic system provides a secure fit without the bulk or inconvenience of traditional clasps, and the silicone material ensures flexibility and breathability. Overall, the Getino magnetic silicone band stands out for its innovative use of magnets, quick adjustment capabilities, and comfortable silicone construction. Whether you're hitting the gym, running errands, or simply looking for a reliable daily strap for your Apple Watch, this band is designed to meet the needs of active, style-conscious users. If you're in the market for a smartwatch band that balances practicality and aesthetics, the Getino magnetic band is definitely worth a look. That wraps up our review of the Getino magnetic silicone band. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more in-depth reviews on the latest tech and accessories, here on Product Critique.